Now let us discuss about some of the acidic substance, basic substance and neutral substance. Here some of the acidic substances examples are apple, tea, lemon, tomato. And some of the basic substances are lime water, glass cleaners, soap. And some of the neutral substance. A neutral substances means they are neither acid in nature nor basic in nature. So they comes under neutral. Means they do not show any of the changes here. When you do it with the litmus paper, whether it is a red litmus paper or a blue litmus paper, you can't see any change in both of them. So they are called as a neutral substances. Their neutral substances are sugar solution and cooking oil. They are the examples for neutral substances. Here are acid substances. Actually acid substances, how they taste? They taste sour. They taste sour, and so they are used as a food. They are used in a food, preparation of food. They are used in preparation of food. Example curd, lemon juice, water is there, used as a food. Okay, now let us discuss about the indicators. Here indicators means by using the red litmus paper or a blue litmus paper, any sticks, what happens, based on the material they change their color. So based on the material they change a color. These we call it as a indicator. These are called as indicators. Based on the material or whatever you are applying, whether it is a red litmus paper or a blue litmus paper, they are going to change their color. So these are called as a indicators. Here the indicators helps us whether the substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature. This indicator helps us whether the substance is acid in nature or basic in nature. Indicators. Indicator means whether by using whether it is a red litmus paper or a blue litmus paper, based on the material they show some changes. So these what we are using, these red litmus strips of a red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, these are called as the indicators. These indicators helps us to find whether the given substance is acid in nature or basic in nature. Indicators helps us to find whether the given substance is acid in nature or basic in nature. Okay, now let us discuss about the acidic nature and a basic nature. First let us discuss about the acidic nature. Okay, before going to discuss about the acidic nature, you might have experienced when an ant has bitten to you. When ant has bitten to you, how do you experience? So you might have experienced some of the burning sensation when ant has bitten to you. So that burning sensation is because it contains an acid. So it contains formic acid. The ant contains formic acid. When it bites, it will use formic acid. Due to that formic acid, what happens? We feel something burning sensation when ant bites to us. So it is acidic in nature. Like this, let us discuss some of the acidic substances. What kind of acids are present in some of the substances? Here I written here some of the acidic nature, some of the substances here, like vinegar. Vinegar, it contains acetic acid. Lemon orange it contains citric acid, and then stale cheese, it contains butyric acid. Battered milk, curd, it contains lactic acid. Spinach, tomato, it contains oxalic acid. Means these are some of the substances which contain some different types of acids. So they are acidic in nature. As you all know that acids are sour in taste. In the same way, now let us discuss about basic in nature. Basic nature. So what are these basic? And how do you say that which is a basic? For example, if you have taken a bathing soap, when you apply bathing soap on your body, or when you apply it on your hand, when you wash your hand with the bathing soap, how do you feel? When you take it with the soap water in between your hands, how do you feel? You feel soapy in nature. Yes or no? You feel soapy in nature. So the substances which are soapy in nature are called as basic in nature. They are called as basic substances. Means what are the substances which are soapy in nature? Soapy in nature are called as basic substances. Like basic substances, first one is lime water. Lime water. The basic substances lime water. For this, what base is used? Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide base is used. Next is glass cleaners. Glass cleaners, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is a base is used. And next is soap. Your soap is made of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So the substances which are soapy in nature are basic in nature. Like for a glass cleaner, these soapy substances they are used even in a glass cleaners also. Glass cleaners, they are made of ammonium hydroxide.